Guys, what's up? It's B-Town. Today I'm going to bring you a photo on how, or not a photo, a video on how to use Cover Photo Maker. You can find it in the Apple Play Store, or the Apple Store, I'm sure. And yeah, I know you can find it on the Google Play Store for Android. So let's get into the video. First, you got to open Cover Photo Maker. If you don't have it, just go to the Play Store, search it, download it, install it on your device. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Gallery. We're going to make a photo for this video. We're going to hit this. I downloaded it from the internet. It's just the Cover Photo Maker emblem, and we're going to put it in here. Now we have a problem because it's too big. So we'll go back and we will go to color, and we'll just go with a white background. So we'll move it all the way over, make it a white background, and then we will put in a YouTube thumbnail as the style that we want, and then we will hit OK. Then we'll go in and we'll add an image, and maybe we can make this work. Go to Gallery, Image, Cover Photo Maker. We'll make this a little bit smaller, crop it to how you want it. This is a great app for making thumbnails for your YouTube videos. That's why I'm uploading the video. So we'll just make it like this, and then bam, and then we'll extend it out a little bit like this. We'll put it down here. And then we can add text. So we'll add how to use, type that wrong, use, enter. And then you can expand it and make it bigger. So we'll make it pretty big. And we can put it right in the center. So it's right in the center. Then you can choose your fonts. There's plenty to choose from. You just pick the font that you want to use and how to use it, and make it however you want. So we'll go with this one here. As far as the font goes, we'll leave it black as the shadow, and then we'll put a shadow around it, and we'll make the shadow red. And you can actually change the color and completely customize it however you want. I just made it kind of a dark red to see. And then we got this, and it looks kind of plain. I don't actually like that photo. So what we'll do is we'll actually delete this photo, and we'll go back on my phone and I'll show you another trick. I don't know if this works on other phones unless you have a Note 10 like I do, but I can go to the photo, and then I can bring out my S Pen and go to Smart Select, and then I can draw a square around the photo, and it didn't Smart Select it for me. Let's see if I can do this. Well, there it goes. It did that. And we'll just do done, and we'll use that. So it actually made that photo onto my screen. So we'll just save it. And then we'll go back into Cover Photo Maker. Go to Image again. Select an image. Gallery. Use this Cover Photo Maker. Well, is that the right one? Use this one. Cover Photo Maker, enter. And put it right there. Make it a little bit bigger. Make it even bigger. It's got those things on it at the bottom, so I'm trying to hide that from my actual thumbnail. So we'll put that there. We'll make the text just a little bit bigger. And check it out. And that looks like a decent thumbnail. It's not too bad. You can save your designs. So if you have a theme and you want to save the design, come back and maybe just change the lettering, or change something specific on it. You can go back and change it. And then you go down and you hit save as image and hit OK. And that's it. And then I will upload this video and then change the thumbnail to my custom thumbnail, and you guys will know exactly how to use Cover Photo Editor. There's a lot of different features. Like, let's go back and play with some just to see. You've got backgrounds. You can change the background at any time. Like, I could put this background in on how to use Cover Photo Maker, and say if I made this smaller and move this up, it would kind of fit in, and then boom, and then take this down a little, and it would give it a little different look and make it look a little bit better. But it still doesn't look exactly the same. And you can see those little parts down there. So, I don't know. It's kind of up to your discretion on how you want to use it and how you make the best photos. But another thing you can do with it is you can make the letters 3D. You can tilt them in or out like so. You can also turn them from one angle to another to make it look pretty cool. And then you can also make them like a U shape or horizontal, however you want to do that. That's just some of the options with the text. And then you've also got effects that you can add to the cover photos, like so. You can give them different effects, make them look a little bit different things like that. I do have the premium version of the cover photo maker. They have a free version, but I recommend, if you want to do it, I would go ahead and get the actual paid version. I think it was like $5 maybe, but it's a great tool to use, especially if you're making a lot of YouTube videos. But thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day. And always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel for more tips and tricks and apps to use, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.